Hello children, good morning. Welcome to Elga online class. Okay, yeah children, did you finish your breakfast? Very good. How are you children? Yeah, I hope you all fine. Very good. Okay, yeah children, today we are going to cover Elga 4 day 10. Elga 4 day 10 of unit 4. Okay, today's topic is travel to neighboring countries. Travel to neighboring countries. Okay, yeah children, when you have attending the online class, take your Elga reader book, workbook, note, English note, take your pencil, eraser and sharpener with you. Okay, very good children. Yeah children, before we start the class, we will do one activity. Okay, yeah children, did you enjoy the last class? Yeah, very good. Yeah children, now we will do one activity. Okay, yeah, this is called rain clap. This is called rain clap activity. Okay, yeah students, first one finger clap. Next, two fingers clap. Next, three fingers clap. Next, four finger claps. Finally, five finger claps. Okay, yeah, very good. Okay, yeah children, what did you understand in this activity? In the activity la உங்களுக்கு என்ன புரியுது? Yeah, very good. ஒரு கை தட்டினா என்ன வராது? ஓசை வராது. அப்ப ரெண்டு கை என்ன பண்ணணும்? சேர்ந்து தட்டினா தான் என்ன வரும்? சவுண்ட் வரும். அதே போல தான் நம்ம வீட்லயும் இன்னும் நம்ம ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கிட்ட நம்ம எல்லாரும் எப்பவுமே எப்படி இருக்கணும்? யூனியன் இஸ் ஸ்ட்ரெngth. எப்பவுமே ஒற்றுமையா இருக்கணும். எப்பவுமே எப்படி இருக்கணும்? ஒற்றுமையா இருக்கணும். Okay, yeah children, listen. Once again we will do this activity. Okay, yeah children, listen. Two finger clap, three finger clap, four finger clap, five fingers clap. Very good. Okay, yeah children, listen. In our today's class, now we will learn tra and gr blend sound. Okay, in the phonic section we will learn tra and gr blend sound. Okay, yeah children, get ready. Okay, Elga 4 day 10 of unit 4, travel to neighboring countries. Okay, yeah students, now look at the slide. In our phonic section, tra blend. Now let us learn tra blends. Okay, yeah children, listen. First I will read the words. Yeah children, you listen carefully. Okay, after that you will follow. Okay, yeah children, now I will read the words for you. Yeah students, you listen carefully. Okay, first one, tree. Tra, tree. Tra, tree. The next word is tra, train. Tra, train. Tra, train. The next word is tra, traffic. Tra, traffic. The another word is tra, truck. Tra, truck. Tra, truck. The next word is tra, trip. Tra, trip. The another word is tra, trim. Tra, trim. Tra, trim. The another word is tra, tram. Tra, tram. The last one word is tra, trap. Tra, trap. One more time. Tra, trap. Okay. Yeah children, now I will read the words for you. Yeah children, please repeat after me. Okay. Tra blend. Tra, tree. Tra, tree. Yeah children, say one more time. Tra, tree. The next word is tra, train. Tra, train. Once again children. Tra, train. Once again. Tra, train. The next word is traffic. 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 The another word is truck. Truck. Okay. The next trip. The another word is trim. The next word is tram. The last word is trap. Very good. Okay. Next. Yeah, children, now let us learn the blend sounds. Now we will learn blend sounds. Okay, yeah, children, listen. Grass. Grass. The next word is green. Green. The another word is group. The another word is grapes. Grapes. The next word is grip. The another word is grab. The another word is grill. The another word is gram. Very good, children. Now, yeah, children, once again I will read the words for you. Yeah, children, please repeat after with me. Okay. Yeah, children, now blend. The first word is grass. Grass. The another word is green. The another word is group. The next one word is grapes. Yeah, one more time. Grapes. Very good. The next word is grip. Once again, grip. Very good. The next word is grab. Once again, grab. The next word is grit. Very good. The last word is gram. Very good, children. Yeah, students, now take your student reader book, page number 87. Yeah, children, now I will give the time for 5 seconds. Yeah, children, take your Elga reader book, page number 85, 8 and 5. Take soon, children. Your time start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, very good, children. Yeah, I hope you all take your Elga reader book, page number 85. Very good. Awesome, children. Yeah, once again, we will read the blends. Okay. Blend. Yeah, students, now see your Elga reader book, page number 85. Blend. Tree. Train. Traffic. Truck. Trip. Trim. Tram. Trap. Very good, children. Next. Take your Elga reader book, page number 86. Blend. This is called blend. green. Group. Grapes. Grip. Grab. Grit. Gram. Very good. Awesome, children. Now we will learn about the whole words. Okay, now let us learn the whole word section. Okay, yeah, children, now listen. This is whole words. Whole words means what? Yeah, children, this is sight word. Okay, yeah, children, we do not use the letter sound. We do not use the letter sound. This is called whole words. Okay, yeah, children, now I will read the words. Okay, yeah, children, you listen carefully. Now I will read the words for you. Yeah, children, you listen carefully. Okay, the first word is every. The first word is every. Okay, children, listen. The first whole word is every. E-V-E-R-Y. Every. Okay. The second whole word is himself. Yeah, children, now I will read the spell. H-I-M-S-E-L-F. Himself. The third whole word is across. A-C-R-O-S-S. Across. A-C-R-O-S-S. Across. Okay. Next. The fourth one whole word is again. A-G-A-I-N. Again. Okay. Next. The fifth one whole word is which. W-H-I-C-H. Which. W-H-I-C-H. Which. The next word is cannot. C-A-N-N-O-T. Cannot. C-A-N-N-O-T. Cannot. The next word is once. O-N-C-E. Once. Next. The next one whole word is time. T-I-M-E. Time. T-I-M-E. Time. The ninth one whole word is sticky. Yeah, children, listen carefully. S-T-I-C-K-Y. Sticky. Next. The 10th one whole word is greet. G-R-E-E-T. Greet. The another whole word is return. R-E-T-U-R-N-E-D. Return. The 12th one whole word is filled. F-I-L-L-E-D. Filled. Okay. Next. The 13th whole word is decide. D-E-C-I-D-E. Decide. The another whole word is reach. R-E-A-C-H. Reach. R-E-A-C-H. Reach. The next one whole word is ready. Ready. R-E-A-D-Y. Ready. R-E-A-D-Y. Ready. The last one whole word is happen. Happen. H-A-P-P-E-N. Happen. Happen. Okay. Very good, children. Yeah, children, now once again I will read the whole words for you. Yeah, children, you repeat after with me. Okay. The first one whole word is every. Every. Yeah, children, please repeat after with me. One more time. Every. The another whole word is himself. Himself. Once again, himself. Very good. The another word is across. Across. Repeat, children. Across. Next, the fourth one whole word is again. Again. One more time. Again. Very good. Next. The fifth one whole word is which. 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 Very good. Next, the sixth one whole word is cannot. Cannot. Once again, cannot. The seventh one whole word is once. Once. One more time. Once. The eighth one whole word is time. Time. Once again. Time. Very good. The ninth one whole word is sticky. Sticky. Very good. Sticky. Super. Next, children. The 10th one whole word is greet. Greet. Say once again. Greet. Next, the 11th one whole word is return. Return. Repeat. Return. The 12th one whole word is filled. Filled. Once again. Filled. Very good, children. Next, the 13th whole word is decide. Decide. Next, the 14th whole word is reach. 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 The 15th whole word is ready. 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 Very good. The 16th whole word is happen. Happen. One more time. Happen. Very good, children. Yes, students, now take your English note. All the students, please take your English note. Write the today's date. Yeah, children, I want to write the all whole words. Yeah, children, there are nearly 16 whole words in the slide. Yeah, children, take your pencil and write the whole words one time. Yeah, children, now I will give the time for 20 seconds. Quickly, I want to write the whole words in your English classwork note. Okay, yeah, children, your time start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, your children, your time over. Your children, I hope you all complete your whole words. Okay, very good children. Next. Okay students, now take your worksheet, page number 100. Take soon children. Yeah students, take your worksheet, page number 100. Yeah children, I will give the time for 5 seconds. Yeah, quickly children, take your worksheet and pencil. Okay, yeah children, your time start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, very good children. Yeah, now take your worksheet, page number 100, worksheet number 18. The magic slippers. The magic slippers. Okay, yes students, listen. Now I will read the question for you. Question number 1. Complete the sentence with the correct word from the options given. Okay, yeah children, now I will read the question for you. What did Dutchie's uncle gift him? Okay, what is the question once again? Yeah children, listen carefully. What did Dutchie's uncle gift him? Okay, yeah students, now the answer is Dutchie's uncle gifted him magical slippers. Which one is the correct answer? Yeah children, listen. Yeah, in the bracket there are 2 answers given. Okay, the first one answer is a magical pot. A magical pot. The another one answer is magical slippers. Yeah children, which one is the correct answer? The magical slippers. Okay, Dutchie's uncle gifted him magical slippers. Okay, very good. Next, question number 2. Tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. What did Dutchie do with the slippers? What did Dutchie do with the slippers? Question number 2. Yeah children, the answer is, there are 2 answers given, 2 options. Okay, the first one option is he jumped many times. He jumped many times. The another one answer is he did not like the gift. He did not like the gift. Yeah, which one is the correct answer? What is the question once again? What did Dutchie do with the slippers? Yeah children, listen. The first one option is correct. He jumped many times. He jumped many times. Okay. Next children, question number 3. Answer the question in your own words. Answer the question in your own words. What gift did your uncle give you? Yeah children, listen. This is general question. Okay, unga uncle unakku enna vaangi kuduthirukkaru appdi solli kettirukanga. Okay, yeah children, this is your opinion. Okay, this is your suggestion. Okay, listen. What gift did your uncle give you? My uncle gave me a toy car as a gift. Okay, yeah children, listen. My uncle gave me a toy car as a gift. Okay, yeah students, unga uncle unakku vera edavadhu kuda vaangi kuduthirukkalam. Remote car vaangi kuduthirukkalam, teddy bear vaangi kuduthirukkalam, dress vaangi kuduthirukkalam. Yeah children, this is your wish. Okay, next, 4th question. Tick the correct answer. The 4th question is tick the correct answer. In the story, Dutchie jumped many times to get the gold coin. What can you say about Dutchie? Yeah children, there are 2 options given. Dutchie is a strong boy. The another option is Dutchie wants more gold wants more gold coins. Yeah, children, which one is the correct answer? Tachi wants more gold coins. Okay, next. Yeah, children, now take your page number 101. Yeah, children, this is your grammar section. Rewrite the sentences using capital letters and full stop. Page number 101. 101. Okay. Yeah, students, worksheet number 19. Worksheet number 19. In your workbook, page number 101. 101. Okay. Yeah, students, listen. Question number 1. Rewrite the sentences using capital letters and full stops. Yeah, children, look at the first question. See the first sentence. Question number 1A. The book was on the table. Yeah, children, listen the sentence carefully. Yeah, children, when you have write the one sentence, yeah, this is must be in the capital letter or big letter. Yeah, children, listen the sentence. What is the first letter? T. The T is in the small letter. There is no full stop. So, the sentence is wrong. Okay. You children, how to write the sentence? Yeah, very good. The next one. The answer is the. T is in now big letter. Okay. Now, this is T. The T is in capital letter. Okay. The book was on the table. Yeah, children, here there is a full stop. Full stop கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, big letterல போட்டிருக்காங்க. Okay, this is the correct sentence. Next. Question number 1B. I am going to take a bath now. I am going to take a bath now. Okay, yeah, children, in the sentence, I in small letter. I வந்து எந்த letterல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? This is small letter. Okay, yeah, children, now we will change the I into big letter. Okay, capital letter. Okay, I am going to take a bath now. Okay, yeah, end of the sentence we will put the full stop. Okay, the sentence is now correct. Next, question number 1C. We are going to see a movie. We are going to see a movie. Yeah, children, now rewrite the sentence for you. V. What is the first letter for V? W. Okay, yeah, children, this is small w. Okay, yeah, children, now we will change into big letter or capital letter. Okay, we are going to see a movie. Yeah, children, listen. End of the sentence, we will put the full stop. Okay, yeah, children, now the sentence is correct. We are going to see a movie. Next, question number 1D. Sheena and I will go together to school. Sheena and I will go together to school. Yeah, children, listen. Sheena. Sheena is a common noun or proper noun. Yeah, this is proper noun. So, yeah, children, you will put the big letter. Okay, yeah, the S is in big letter. Sheena and I will go together to school. Yeah, children, end of the sentence, you will put the full stop. Okay, yeah, children, now I will give the time for 10 seconds. Quickly, children, complete your worksheet 19. Take your pencil. Your time start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, very good, children. Yeah, children, I hope you all complete your worksheet 19. Very good, children. Next, the same page number, worksheet 19, question number 2. Question number 2. Rewrite the story using capital letters and full stops correctly. Okay, yeah, children, now I will read the story for you. You listen carefully. Mount Everest is the highest mountain on earth. Once again, Mount Everest is the highest mountain on earth. It is in Nepal. It is in Nepal. There is not much air on this mountain. There is not much air on this mountain. There are no plants or animals on its mountain. There are no plants or animals on this mountain. People find it difficult to climb this mountain. People find it difficult to climb this mountain. But they say it is beautiful things to see. But they say it is a beautiful thing to see. Okay, yeah, children, in the story there is no capital letter. Yeah, children, when how write the one sentence, the beginning word is in the capital letter. Yeah, children, listen. Yeah, in the story there is no big letter, there is no capital letter. Okay, no full stop. Okay, yeah, students, now you listen how to rewrite the story. Yeah, children, listen. Now the answer is given. The answer is given below the sentence. Yeah, children, now I will give the time for 20 seconds. Yeah, children, I want to rewrite the story. Okay, yeah, children, I want to complete your worksheet 19. I will give the time for 20 seconds. Quickly, children, complete your worksheet 19 and rewrite the sentence using capital letters and full stop. Okay, your time start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good, children. Next. Yeah, children, I hope you all complete your worksheet 19. Okay. Next, yeah, children, take your worksheet 102. Now let us learn the writing section. Okay. Page number 102. Take your worksheet. Page number 102. Worksheet number 20. Worksheet number 20. Take some, children. This is your writing part. Okay, yeah, children, look at the picture and answer the question. Yeah, children, look at the image. What do you think? Yeah, children, listen. There are two children here. One boy and girl. Okay, yeah, children, there are two children sitting on the chair and discuss about. Look at the globe. Look at the globe. Okay, yeah, children, listen. The question. What is the picture mostly about? What is the picture mostly about? Yeah, children, what do you think? நீங்க என்ன நினைக்கிறீங்க இந்த பிக்சரை பார்த்து? ரெண்டு குழந்தைங்க உட்கார்ந்து ஏதோ டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. Yeah, children, on the table there is a books, map and the globe is also here. Okay, yeah, children, they are deeply discuss something. Okay, yeah, children, listen. What do you think? What is the picture mostly about? Okay, yeah, children, listen. The answer is the picture is mostly about two children talking. The two children, looking at places on a globe. The picture is mostly about two children looking at places on a globe. அந்த globe பார்த்து ஏதோ என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க? Discuss பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. Okay, yeah, children, the answer is The picture is mostly about two children looking at places on a globe. Okay, yes students, now I will give the time for 10 seconds. You quickly complete this worksheet. Your time start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, very good children. I hope you all complete your worksheet 20. Okay, yeah children, once again we will recall the today's class. Okay, yeah children, in our phonics section we learnt about cr and tr blends. Okay, tr and blend, gr blend sound. Yeah children, in the tr blend, say some example: tree, train. Okay, yeah children, in the gr sound, say some example: green, grapes. Okay, very good. Next, in our whole word section, we learnt about all the whole words. Okay, okay children, in our grammar section, we learnt capital and full stop, capitalization. Okay, okay, yeah children, in our writing section, look at the picture and what is the picture mostly about. Yeah children, the two children are looking at places on a globe. Very good. Yeah children, did you enjoy today's class? Okay children, very good. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Happy learning. Thank you children.